Hey guys, Emily here. So I've been wanting to get blinds for quite some time now, and then I found these guys, Australian quality blinds online, and I thought I may as well give them a shot. They looked really professional, so I got one of their starter kits to get me started. It was super easy to get this starter kit as well, so I got it within 2 days from ordering it, and it was also all free, so there was really no reason for me not to try it out. So I've unboxed the DIY starter kit, and this is everything that's in there. There's definitely a lot. So we have this checklist for comparing different blinds. We also have the guide itself, and then we have a book full of different fabric swatches. We also have a measurement chart too. So there's really a lot of things that you get in it. What's really cool is that you also get an entire fabric swatch book. So instead of just getting little snippets, you actually get the entire thing. And the starting guide itself is so easy to follow. It has so many different photos and so much information. I feel like after reading this that I would be confident enough to install a blind myself. So that's the Australian Quality Blinds Online DIY Starter Kit. So if you're interested in getting one, definitely go ahead and get one because first of all, it's free, there's no shipping cost, it's also really quick to get, and there's just so much information in there that it's just so worth it.